Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to serve static content for a single page application using NestJS. So let's get started. So firstly, as usual, we will have to create one NestJS project. So I'll just copy this command. I'll go to my workspace directory and I will name my application as my app. You can name it whatever you feel like. The next thing what it does is that it just asks us for to select whether we want npm, pnpm, or I think yarn is the third one. Let's just wait for it to show. Yeah, so I'll just select npm. It will install the application for us. So what I'll do is, in the meantime, I will just open my application. So this is my application. I will just open it, and once our application has finished loading, we need to install this particular dependency. But given that the application is still installing, let's just proceed with the next step. So if you go to the documentation over here, the next step which they mention is we just have to add this particular thing inside our app module. So I'll just copy this, go to src app module.ts. we have to just paste this thing inside our imports. So we just have to add serve static module as well as join imports. So I'll just copy those two imports as well. Okay, once that is done, if you scroll down, okay, so yeah, that's it. Next we just have to add some content. So I already have some content, so all we have to do is given that here you can see it is referencing to the client folder. So that's the folder I will be creating inside the root of our application. So what I can do is I will just go to the root of my application. I'll create a folder called client. Then inside that we just have to create index.html file. So I'll just copy this, I'll paste it over here. Then also I'll create an index.css file, and I'll also create one index.js file as well, and I'll create one more HTML file just so that we can redirect from our index.html file. So okay, now I'll just open this. I'll copy some content. Okay, I'll close this. Now we just have to go to our index.html file and paste this content. So whatever content you want. So all I have done is that I'm just displaying one image. Now I need to use this. I need this image as well. Again, it's up to you. So I've just added this image inside our client folder. So that's the image I'm referencing over here. I've given it some title. Then I have created an unordered list, and here we are referencing our link.html file just so that I want to go from this index.html to link.html. Then here I have created one button, and click of it we will do some action. That's why I have created index.js file as well. And if you see over here, we are also referencing index.css file as well. Hopefully our installation is complete. So I'll go to my app quickly, and we just have to install this particular dependency. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Okay, now this error should go away. So this is done, this is done. Next, coming to index.css. so again I'll just open this and I'll copy this and I'll paste it over here. So if you see, we have this body as well as this title. So here you can see I'm directly referencing the body tag, and for title I'm using class. So that's why I'm referencing dot title inside our CSS file as well over here. So pretty simple. Next, coming to JS file, again I'll just open this, I'll copy some code. So pretty simple JS file as well. All we are doing is that we are getting hold of our button. So if you see, this is the ID of our button. So I'm using document.getElement by ID, adding a click listener to it, and once our button is clicked, we are just displaying an alert. And here inside link.html you can again just create an HTML5, okay, and just give some content whatever you feel like. So I don't know, link one, yeah, link, and I can close this now as well. I don't need this, and then I can just run npm run start :dev. Let's just then you can just go to localhost 3000/client. Okay, so our server has still not started yet. Let's just wait for it to start. Okay, now it has started. I'll refresh this, and here you can see our website. If I click on this button, here is our alert, and if I click on this link, here you can see we are redirected to the link.html. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.